Hi there, my name is Rachel and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a raw vegan apple cobbler. This is a super basic raw vegan dessert that features a warm apple filling with a walnut date crumble on top. So let's get started. For the crumble topping, we're going to start with some walnuts and cinnamon in a food processor. Then we're going to add a little bit of vanilla, a pinch of sea salt, and then of course 3 dates that have been pitted and chopped. And then we're going to pulse until the nuts and the dates are combined. This is going to form a slightly sticky mixture, but in order to make it more of a crumble, we're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, and then we're going to pulse it a few more times in the food processor, and then it should hold together just like a nice crumble topping. Next, we're going to make a delicious date caramel out of some chopped dates and a little bit of apple cider. And then we're going to spice it with some cinnamon, vanilla, and a little bit of ground cardamom and some sea salt. Once we have all of this in the blender, we're going to puree all of this until it's smooth. This is why it's important to get all of the pits out of your dates, because you don't want any of those in the blender when you're trying to blend your date caramel. As you can see, this forms a really nice, thick, and beautifully spiced caramel sauce. Next, we're going to dice up some sweet red apples into about a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch dice. These are going to get tossed with the caramel sauce and a little bit of raisins, and then that's going to form the filling of our apple cobbler. You can choose to simply mix the raisins, apples, and date caramel together and just let them marinate for a little bit and then serve it with the cobbler topping, and it'll be just fine. But one thing that's really nice to do if you have the opportunity is to spread the apple and raisin mixture out onto a sheet pan and then warm it up in your oven for about 1/2 an hour on the warm setting, which is about 150 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Or you can put it into a food dehydrator for about an hour at 118 degrees, and then you can serve it warm out of the food dehydrator or oven. It's truly delicious this way. So once the filling is done from either the dehydrator or the oven, you can spoon it into individual bowls and then put a little bit of the walnut date crumble on top, and then top it with your favorite vegan ice cream and a little drizzle of maple syrup or agave. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to smash that like button.